This is Clovis with UNS Technology LLC. Today we're going to talk about variable. How to create a variable in Java. In Java we have different type of variable. We have a string variable, we have int type variable, we have short, long, double. There are many, but you can see it depends on what you want to accomplish. So let's create one variable type string. To create a variable, you have to type the type of the variable and you give it some name. Let's say this is my first variable, I'm gonna call it Clovis variable. It doesn't matter what name you're gonna give it, but what it matters actually, it's the string and the type of value, the type of the variable, and then the type of value you are passing to the variable. So we use equal sign to pass the value to a variable. That's why now I want to say yes, hello Clovis. So I'm passing here a value of a string value to a variable inside the variable Clovis variable, which is a type string. So Clovis variable here is like kind of a container. It's like you're pouring water in the glass. So the water here is hello Clovis, and the container, which is the glass, is Clovis variable. Let's see. I wanna use a system out print, which is one of the method embed method. So we're gonna pass this variable right here, variable Clovis variable. I can type variable to see what is inside the Clovis variable. So if we run the code, we run it. Hey, look, Clovis, hello Clovis. It gives hello Clovis because hello Clovis is a value here. If you do John is great, and then we run it, and then you can see John is great. So this is the value, this is the variable name, this is the variable type, this is how you create a variable. This is how also you pass a variable a different value. So this is it. Thank you. Have a nice day.